Folks, you know that moment when you need to get your business online fast, but don't have the time or budget? Well, imagine an AI platform that helps you build your entire brand from scratch. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today, we're exploring Durable, a platform that builds websites in seconds. Plus, it gives you smart AI tools to manage content, clients, and your projects effortlessly. I'll show you how this toolkit can create a fully functional marketing consulting site in minutes. You'll also get a behind-the-scenes look at its tools and features that make running your business easier and more efficient. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Let's get started. My friends, Durable lets you create a professional site in just 30 seconds. But it's so much more than a simple builder. It's a complete system for launching and managing an online brand. It includes tools for content creation, client management, and even AI assistance for various tasks. To show you how it works, I'll create a page for a marketing consulting startup and see how quickly and efficiently Durable handles it. When we go to the dashboard, we see the question: what type of business are you building? I'll choose Marketing Strategy and Brand Consulting for UAE enterprises. Then we enter the monthly income range and specify the location, which the platform can detect automatically, or you can enter it manually. Then we click Next and add the company name. I'll just use my own name, though I could also use AI suggestions. Then I press Start Building, and the system begins generating. In just 30 seconds, it creates a fully functional site. Folks, in those 30 seconds, the artificial intelligence analyzes your business type, builds the structure, and fills it with matching images and text. It even optimizes everything automatically for search engines. And now everything is ready. In less than a minute, we've got a professional, well-structured website with quality content and modern design. We can preview it on desktop, tablet, and mobile, and it looks great on every device. We can immediately publish it, connect a custom domain, or use a durable domain. In my case, I'll use danieldavidson.durablesite.com, which works perfectly for me. With a paid plan, you can also use your own custom.com domain. I publish the site, and in just a few seconds, it goes live. From this moment, your business is officially online. Now let's explore what the platform can do for growing your venture. Mates, behind the scenes, we can see the first visitors and analytics for our page. There's a blog section which is currently empty, but we can add posts manually or let the AI create them for us. Durable suggests relevant topics, and by clicking Generate, it automatically creates an SEO-optimized article. The system even generates the images and the text tailored to your enterprise. You can review it, make changes, save it, and your blog now has content. There's also an Automate Your Blog feature that lets you activate a Content Strategist Assistant, which automatically publishes 10 SEO-optimized blog posts each month. This helps your website rank higher, attract traffic, and grow your brand. I enabled this assistant so it can work automatically in the background. You can connect your own domain, enable indexing, and add custom code like head or footer code. It's also possible to completely regenerate your site if your business changes. You can rewrite the description, change the name, select another language, but this will delete the previous version entirely. In the Contacts section, you can find all your users and clients, my friends. You can send emails and make calls. It is also possible to add notes and create invoices directly in Durable. These invoices appear in the Invoices section, where you can also see the total client balance and history. A new feature is Durable Studio, where you can create logos, social media posts, and other creative assets. For example, I can describe what I want to make, choose a mode, and start generation. The system instantly creates a logo that I can download. Let's make an Instagram post promoting a marketing strategy. And here's the result. It looks great. Now let's try a business conference poster. And here's another one, a Dubai conference promo, generated in just a few seconds. I can also create any other type of visual, like an innovative concept for a brand consulting presentation. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Another impressive feature of Durable is the employee chat. AI assistants built for different tasks. For example, I asked in the general chat to write a compelling 150-word description of my company, and it did so quite well. There are different assistants for various areas. In marketing, you can get ideas and tips for campaigns. In finance, you can ask for help with planning. In sales, you can identify your ideal customer profile, create strategies, and work with clients. And finally, in research, you can generate a business plan, analyze the market, and study competitors. As you can see, Durable is much more than a simple site builder. In fact, it's not just about creating pages at all. You can collaborate with your team to build your brand hub in minutes and manage everything with AI tools for design, clients, and invoices. Everything is in one place, with no need for technical skills or large budgets. The platform continues to grow and regularly introduces new features, making it a truly powerful tool for any modern business. Alright, my friends, let's wrap this up. Durable isn't just a website builder. It's an AI-powered system that helps you get your business online fast, manage clients, and create content effortlessly. The real power of the platform is how it brings everything together in one place. From launching a new business to automating tasks or creating content, Durable saves time and makes your workflow much easier. So what do you think? If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Until next time.